How to work with variables in Java. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to work with variables in Java, choosing the right data type. Byte. It's an 8-bit signed integer. Stores value from -128 to 127. It can be used for memory-efficient storage of small integers. When you assign the data type and the name to a variable, you are declaring it. When you assign a value to the variable, you are initializing it. You can do these steps separately or at the same time, as you can see in the example. Short. It's a 16-bit signed integer. Stores value a little bit bigger than a byte. This is not a very common data type. It stays in the middle of a byte and an int. Int. It's a 32-bit signed integer. Stores value from -2 to the power of 31 to 2 to the power of 30. This is commonly used for whole numbers. We will use these numbers later for an example. Long. It's a 64-bit signed integer. Stores value from -2 to the power of 63 to 2 to the power of 62. It's used when a larger range than int is needed. To write it, we add L at the end of the number. Float. It's a 32-bit floating point number for decimal values, less precise than double. It's suitable for saving memory with limited precision. To write it, we add F at the end of the number. Double. It's a 64-bit floating point number that stores decimal values with increased precision. It's preferred for scientific calculations. Char. It's a 16-bit data type representing a single Unicode character. It can be used for letters, digits, symbols, and to write it we use the single apostrophe. Boolean. It represents one of the two values, true or false. It's used for logical operations and control flow. String. It can store a sequence of characters. A string can also be a sentence. To write it, we use the symbol double apostrophe. In this example, we will find the age of someone and we will print the name and the number to the terminal. Here you can see the result. It's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.